The notice being pasted on the walls of this factory by these officials has a dark criminal reason behind it. From September to October, at least 21 children in Madhya Pradesh have died after consuming a cough syrup called Coldrif. On October 9, 2025, a Madhya Pradesh Special Investigation Team arrested G. Ranganathan, proprietor of Kanchipuram-based Sreesan Pharmaceuticals. The incident sparked major concerns about administering cough syrup to children and spurred the administration to take steps. Tamil Nadu Health Minister Ma Subramaniam said that the firm's license would be permanently cancelled. This incident, unfortunately, is not an isolated case in which national pharmaceuticals are under the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. In 2023, around 70 children, all under the age of 5, died in the Gambia after being administered cough syrups made by Maiden Pharmaceuticals. In Uzbekistan, 20 children died after consuming substandard cough syrups manufactured by Marion Biotech. And in Cameroon, a cough syrup manufactured by Riemann Labs caused the deaths of around 12 children. Within the country, between December 2019 and 2020, 12 children in Jammu and Kashmir died from consuming spurious cough syrups. The cough syrups in the recent Madhya Pradesh deaths are reported to contain diethylene glycol, or DEG, which is a toxic substance used in industrial solvents, and Coldrif contained about 48.6% of DEG. The WHO has voiced a deep concern over the recent deaths in Madhya Pradesh and asked if any batches were shipped to other countries. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization said that not one but 3 medicines had the toxic substance. These cough syrups and manufacturers are including Coldrif by Sreesan Pharmaceuticals, Respifresh by Rednex Pharmaceuticals, and Relife by Shape Pharma. A Tamil Nadu Drug Control Department inspection found that Sreesan Pharmaceuticals violated 364 manufacturing rules. The report by the agency further said, manufactured products are stored in a very unhygienic manner and sewage was discharged without purification. The authorities have taken cognizance of the matter and have initiated legal proceedings against the accused. But serious and stringent action is required at both the state and central levels to stop any further occurrence of an all too familiar tragedy like this.